This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at IDEFICS from Hugging Face. This is an visual language model, okay, and it is the largest open source visual language model. This is a reproduction of a model called as Flamingo, which is actually closed sourced and developed by DeepMind, okay. So what can you do with this IDEFICS model? I could pronounce it properly after looking at this YouTube tutorial. Okay, so IDEFICS stands for Image Aware Decoder Enhanced Flamingo with Interleaved Cross-attention. Okay, so this is a model which could answer questions about images, describe visual contents, create stories grounded on multiple images, or simply behave as a pure language model without visual inputs. So you can perform tasks like visual question answering, image captioning, image classification, and things like that. So they have a demo. Let's have a look at the demo. Okay. So here you can actually, maybe I'll select this image. Okay. So there is this image of a meme and this is the text. Okay, so here when you give this as an input, okay, so this is an image of a cat and here it says, I like French people, they eating pain. Okay, so this meme features a picture of a grumpy looking cat. This is the output. Given this input and this text, explain this meme to me. This is the output. This meme features a picture of a grumpy looking cat with the caption, I like French people, they eat pain. This is a humorous play on words, as the French word pain means bread in English, but it sounds similar to the English word pain, which means suffering or discomfort. Okay, so it gives this explanation for this meme. So actually I wanted to try this demo with my own figure of a meme. So here is this particular figure. Okay, so this makes fun of that behind AI is just if and else statements, and I say explain this meme. This is the explanation which comes over here. Okay, the meme features a scene from the popular cartoon series Scooby-Doo, where the character Shaggy is holding a piece of paper with the letter A written on it. In the meme, the letter A is replaced with the word AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. The meme is likely making a humorous reference to the idea that AI is often perceived as a mysterious and complex technology, much like the supernatural elements in the Scooby-Doo series. Okay, so this explanation is fine over here. Couple of times when I tried with this particular meme, I did not get this explanation. This time it has done a good job. Okay, so maybe I will reload this page and we can try out another meme. Okay, let's see if it works. Actually processing it. Okay, so this is a meme on ChatGPT, right? 5,000 years of accumulated human knowledge and know-how is lit to fire by ChatGPT. That's the idea over here. But here it gives a totally different explanation over here. Okay. In this case, meme combines the acronym with a picture of a little girl sitting in front of this thing. It's this meme is a play on the acronym CTFU. It doesn't relate it to this particular meme at all. Okay, so this model may produce errors. So there are other examples over here which you can actually try it out. Okay, now this model is available in two variants, a 9 billion and 80 billion parameter variants, and it makes use of, say, LLaMA as the language encoder. Okay, and it makes use of LLaMA as the language encoder and OpenCLIP as the image encoder. Okay, so if you look at, this is based on Flamingo, and if you look at the architecture of Flamingo, the idea over here is that you send input which is a interleaved mix of image and text data, right? And this is sent to a vision encoder backbone, and you also have a language encoder, right? Here you have vision encoders and you have some language encoders as well. which based on which you actually then have some attention layers or transformer layers, which is used to generate your output. Okay, that is the idea, right? So if you look at this IDEFICS, they are making use of LLaMA version 1 as for the text part, and they have for the image this thing they have OpenCLIP. Okay, so that is a kind of architecture they have made use over here. So let me see if further details are available on the architecture over here. Okay, it is built on top of two unimodal open access pre-trained models to connect the modalities. Newly initialized parameters in the form of transformer blocks bridge the gap between the vision encoder and language model. This model is trained on a mixture of image text pairs and unstructured multimodal web documents. Okay, so they have two models over here, the 9 billion parameter and the 80 billion parameter model. Let's see if any further details are there. Okay, the other details you can check out over here. Yeah, so you have this 9 billion parameter model and 80 billion parameter. So the perceiver resampler, basically this particular layer of transformer layers. Okay, details are given over here. And for the language model backbone, for the 80 billion parameter IDEFICS, it is LLaMA 65 billion. And for the 9 billion parameters, it is LLaMA 7 billion parameter model. This is not LLaMA 2, this is LLaMA 1. Okay. And the visual model is actually CLIP VIT. Okay. And yeah, the other details are given over here. So you can go and try out this particular model called as IDEFICS. Okay, I hope I got the pronunciation right. So this is the largest open access visual language model. Like GPT-4, this model can accept arbitrary sequences of image and text inputs and produce text outputs. It can answer questions about images, describe visual content, and create stories grounded in multiple images. I hope this short video on IDEFICS is useful for you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.